Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Hello everyone, today I am going to show you top 7 best Mido watches of 2022. Based on specifications. Top 7. Mido Ocean Star Tribute Special Edition Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel bracelet. Black bezel, black dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim, dial type analog luminescent hands and markers. Day of the week and date display at the 3 o'clock position. Mido caliber 80 base ETA CO7 621 automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal screw down crown, transparent case back. Round case shape, case size 40.50 mm, case thickness 13.43 mm. Band width 21 mm, water resistant at 200 meters 660 feet. Functions: date, day, hour, minute, second. Watch label Swiss made. Top 6. Mido Multifort Patrimony automatic blue dial men's watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel, blue dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Arabic numerals mark the 3, 6, 9 and 12 o'clock positions. Minute markers around an inner ring. Dial type analog luminescent hands, date display at the 6 o'clock position. Mido caliber Powermatic 80 base ETA CO7.621 automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal pull push crown, transparent case back. Round case shape, case size 40 mm, case thickness 11.95 mm. Band width 19 mm, tang clasp, water resistant at 50 meters 165 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Multifort Patrimony series dress watch style watch label Swiss made. Top 5. Mido Belluna 2 automatic men's watch. The typical sunray dial of this Belluna sunray watch echoes the cupola of the Royal Albert Hall. The polished and satin finished case adds an extra touch of chic to this timepiece. Item specifics: display type analog. Clasp deployment, clasp case diameter 42.5 mm. Case thickness 12 mm. Band material stainless steel, calendar day, date, item weight 12.35 ounces, movement automatic. Water resistant, depth 50 meters. Top 4. Mido Commander Icone automatic anthracite dial men's watch. Black PVD stainless steel case with a black PVD stainless steel mesh bracelet. Fixed black PVD bezel, anthracite dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog luminescent hands and markers, day of the week and date display at the 3 o'clock position. Mido caliber Powermatic 80 automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal pull push crown. Transparent case back, round case shape. Case size 42 mm, case thickness 11.42 mm, band width 24 mm. Fold over slip through clasp, water resistant at 50 meters 165 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style watch label Swiss made. Top 3. Mido Baroncelli 3 automatic white dial men's watch. Stainless steel case with a black leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel, white dial with silver tone Dauphine style hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim, dial type analog, date display at the 3 o'clock position. ETA caliber 2892 A2 automatic movement based upon ETA 2890. Containing 21 joules, bidding at 28,800 VPH and has a power reserve of approximately 42 hours. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal pull push crown. Transparent case back, round case shape. Case size 39 mm, case thickness 6.95 mm, band width 20 mm, tang clasp. Water resistant at 30 meters 100 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Dress watch style watch label Swiss made. Top 2. Mido Ocean Star Analog Automatic Watch. Mido is bringing ceramic, one of the most outstanding materials in watchmaking, to the unidirectional rotating bezel of its Ocean Star 200C. The dial is decorated with a rippled texture and offers individually applied indexes coated with white superluminova. This timepiece is water resistant up to 20 bar, with the case shape providing extra protection for the screw-down crown. The screw-down case back is engraved with the Ocean Star logo. Furthermore, the housed automatic movement has an autonomy of up to 80 hours. Item specifics: display type analog, case diameter 42.5 mm, case thickness 11.75 mm, band material stainless steel, calendar day date, item weight 6.6 ounces, movement mechanical, hand, wind, water resistant, depth 200 meter. Top 1. Mido Multifort leather chronograph automatic men's watch. Black PVD stainless steel case with a black leather strap. Fixed black PVD bezel, black dial with orange hands and dot-hour markers. Minute markers, tachymeter around the outer rim. Dial type analog, luminescent hands and markers. Day of the week and date display at the 3 o'clock position. Chronograph, 3 sub-dials displaying 60 seconds, 30 minute and 6 hour. ETA value caliber 7750 automatic movement. Containing 25 joules, bidding at 28,800 VPH. And has a power reserve of approximately 44 hours. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Pull push crown, skeleton case, background case shape, case size 44 mm, case thickness 14.5 mm, band width 23 mm, tang clasp. Water resistant at 30 meters 100 feet. Functions: chronograph, tachymeter, date, day, hour, minute, second. Multifort series casual watch style watch, label Swiss made. Thanks for watching. Product buying link given in description.